In today's video, I'll be draping my mother-in-law. I'm going to be draping a soft silk sari, and we're gonna do the very popular nivy drape with an open pallu. Okay, so I'm draping this soft silk sari on Tony's mom, call her mom. The soft silk sari is less wide than the Kanjipuram sari, so we'll be back with a Kanjipuram sari. Okay, Mom, if you wanna just hold that. Okay, so I'm just gonna tuck this in nicely and neatly. Soft silk saris are really easy to drape. So if you are a beginner, this is a really good sari to start with. Okay, I'm gonna take the pallu, and we're hanging the pallu, so we're gonna take it a little longer. Mom always pleats her saris, so this is something different. There we go. Okay, I'm just gonna put a pin here. Yeah, anytime you have, like, look at that gorgeous pallu. You want to hang it, so you show more of it. So I'm just putting the pin right here. And because we're hanging it, we're doing it a little shorter, actually. Gotta follow my own tips. All right, so we're doing it right there and putting the pin on the inside. So I'm just gonna put this on body and then take this nice and tight. So one way you can tighten this part is just to bring it really tight and then use that tautness to pin so that you're nice and tight with your hip pleats. Not poke the person you're draping. That's key. All right, okay. Is that tight, Mom?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just staggering the pleats here. Okay, and then I'm gonna get Mom to hold that. Okay. And while she's holding that, what I'm gonna do is this excess sari here, I'm gonna create the hip pleats. All right, and then what we want to do is take the pleats and decide how much we're gonna tuck in, put it against the body, and then I'm gonna decide that's how much I'm gonna tuck, so I'm gonna put another pin there. And the pin is gonna go through the skirt as well. And I have my finger behind where I'm pinning, so it doesn't pin Mom. Okay, and then now when you go to tuck, you want to tuck as flat as possible. And then any leftover fabric here, you just want to fold forward and tuck. Wow. Especially if you have a lot of fabric here, you want to just guide it and make some fake pleats here. And you can also pin it here, but I know Mom is good at handling her sari, so we're not gonna do that. Okay. All right, you wanna give us a twirl?
Oh, it looks so perfect, Saree.